a China-based holding company that engages in the design, manufacturing, and sales of electric vehicles, driving innovations in next-generation connectivity, autonomous driving, and artificial intelligence. The common products from this company include the EP9 supercar and ES8 7-seater SUV. The company also provides users with home charging and Power Express valet service and other power solutions including access to public charging, access to power mobile charging trucks, and battery swapping. It also offers value-added services such as service package, battery payment arrangements, vehicle financing, and license plate registration. The company was founded in November 2014 by Lin Bin and Qin Lilong and is headquartered in Jiading, China. NIO started sales of its all-electric SUVs in 2018, and since then, it has become one of the most promising EV startups in China at the moment. This brand started sales even before having its own production facility, as the ES8 was produced in the factories of JAC. Its second model, ES6, was launched in 2019. NIO Inc. began its sales by making sales totaling 8,101, which marked a market share of 0.03%. The following year, 2019, the company obtained a growth of 158.56%, which marked total sales of 20,946 and a market share of 0.1%. This trend continued in 2020, where the company achieved a growth of 108.77% from the previous year. This marked an increased market share from 0.1% to 0.22%, a 0.12% increase. Let us focus on the reason behind these sales. When the company began its sales, it could only manage a total of 8,101. Year in and year out, the company has been achieving some of the highest deliveries. 2020 marked the highest sales in their history as they increased their market share. The renewed buying interest drove the significant rise for private cars as consumers strived to reduce the risk of contracting COVID-19 from taking public means. In January, the company released its flagship intelligent electric car, ET7, with the automatic driving capability and built 7 power exchange stations. Furthermore, China has plans to boost the sales of new energy vehicles in an attempt to reduce exhaust emissions and protect the environment. And with this in place, NIO's target is to make around 25% of the total car sales by 2025, compared to less than 5% in January through October in 2020. This plan may also boost the demand for battery materials, including cobalt, lithium, nickel, manganese, and graphite. Let's look at NIO's battery swap capability. Another interesting plan that NIO has invented is to let drivers swap batteries in 5 minutes and hit the road. The company launched a Battery-as-a-Service (BaaS) subscription model that allows car owners to deal with charging needs by simply having a fresh battery pack installed in a matter of minutes. Interesting, isn't it? With this plan, users can sign up for various battery sizes and make the exchange at special power swap stations. This service allows the NIO to sell their vehicles without inbuilt batteries. Since batteries are not essentially included on a large scale, according to NIO, they can save buyers about $10,000 off the price of the vehicle. Batteries are usually the most expensive portion of an electric car. NIO is addressing the higher price pain point for EVs by removing that large chunk of chemical sitting in the vehicle. More so, swappable batteries offer traveling options. It only takes an average of 3 to 5 minutes to get the battery swapped at the NIO's special power stations. This is on par with getting gas at a gas station. The user is also at liberty to choose desirable battery pack sizes according to their subscription needs. Currently, the company prices a 70 kilowatt-hour pack with 6 swaps per month at about $142. Those who do not swap batteries but would still need the pack pay $12 per month. This plan is cost-effective, convenient, and a faster way to get an EV back and rolling on the road, especially during longer trips. Is NIO trying to compete with Tesla? With these innovations, carmaker NIO is well positioned to capture a lot of China's electric vehicle market, as per the analysts. China is already considered the world's largest auto market. In its bid to become a leader in electric vehicle technology, Beijing has supported the industry with subsidies, looser restrictions, and building out of charging infrastructure. Clearly, NIO is trying to position itself against Tesla. Tesla is, however, the market leader. Its market share is way ahead of everyone else. For its part, Tesla has a market value estimated at $768.93 billion, compared to NIO's market capitalization of about $98.63 billion. NIO is currently trying to position itself as the Chinese Tesla, meaning that it has to compare itself with a premium EV brand in China to access the market. NIO unveiled its first sedan in direct competition with the US company and other rivals. The all-electric sedan ET7 retailed at 448,000 yuan, which is $69,193 before government subsidies, compared to Tesla's entry-level Model 3, which started at 265,740 yuan. The new sedan will go head-to-head with Tesla's best-selling Model 3, which managed to sell more than 120,000 units last year in China. Besides that, NIO has launched a bigger volume battery pack that can improve driving range, an upgraded autopilot system, and the second iteration of its battery swap station. This targets them to outdo Tesla and have NIO command a larger market share in China. What will NIO's stock value look like in the future? With all these efforts and innovations, you could be wondering whether NIO's stock will reach $100 by 2022. According to a survey conducted on over 300 investors on the fate of NIO's shares, an overwhelming 76.5% of Benzinga traders and investors said that NIO would indeed reach $100 per share by 2022. Rounding out the company's 2020 income, NIO reported above consensus third-quarter results thanks to strong delivery and margin improvement. The company's revenue climbed 146.4% year-over-year and 21.7% sequentially, totaling $666.6 million. This compares to the previous revenue of $262.47 million. NIO trades at $46.56 at publication time, which is $2.11 low off the 52-week. According to experts, the EV market will explode in 2021. NIO could emerge as the leader, hence having some surety that the stock price could hit the mark of $100 per share. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below about what your predictions are about when NIO stock is likely to hit $100. Take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.